crochet lovers, Vanakkam. This is Sudha from JST Creation Crochet. Let's see how we are going to make this beautiful, elegant crochet earrings and necklace. It came out lovely. Hope your one or so will come out like this. Shall we begin with 2.5 crochet needle and these two cotton yarns with pair of scissors. Okay, let's begin starting with chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 chains. And now make a slip knot on the first chain. Done. Now make a chain and make one single crochet, 2, 3. On the circle, you after the slip knot, you make a circle like thing. On that, you make single crochet on inside that. Okay. Oops. Now I am going to make 20 single crochet on the circle. Let's count and make this. I have completed 20. Have you? Now I am going to make one slip knot on the first single crochet. Now first round is completed. On the second round, make 2 chains and make half double crochet on the same circle. Oops. Right. Okay. Make 22 half double crochet on this. Let's count and make. Slip knot on the first half double crochet and finish it. Cut the yarn and secure it. Now take the white color yarn and make 8 chains. Now take the circle and insert the chain inside it and make a slip knot. Now it is interlocked with the earlier working. In counting. Now chain 1, secure that extra yarn and make a chain 1 in the single crochet. I have made the same amount of single crochet, that is 20 single crochet. Now make a slip knot on the first single crochet and finish this. Right? Now again make 2 chains and repeat the same half double crochet. The same amount of half double crochet. Earlier we made 22 half double crochet. So here also I am going to make 22 2 half double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Continue 22 half double crochet. Now make a slip knot on the first half double crochet and finish it off. Cut the yarn and secure it. Okay, 2 circles completed. Now I'm going to secure this yarn first. Okay, done. Now again I have started with the same color. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 chains. Now see, I have made 2 yarns. Now I am going to hold it on the white part. Okay, you can make 4, 5 colors even. That is up to you. I have used only 2 colors. So just chain 1 and continue the same process up to the desired size. In this project, I have made 8 chains. So that is enough for me. So same way, I made earrings also. Now fixing time. Shall we fix it with the chain? See, I am fixing it all with the chain. The necklace chain is going to be fixed with the tools. How is your necklace? My necklace is like this. So hope your necklace also came out nicely. Thank you. Thank you for watching my video. Hope to see you next video. Nandri, vanakkam.